Welcome to the replacing printer ribbon video. Release both upper cover locks and open the upper cover. Remove the waste ribbon roll and transfer the empty ribbon core onto the printer's take-up spindles. Place a new ribbon roll on the printer's lower supply spindle and attach the ribbon to the take-up core. Rotate the ribbon take-up hub. The ribbon must advance past the print head. Close the upper cover firmly with both hands. You have successfully loaded new ribbon. Thank you for watching the replacing printer ribbon video. If you have any questions, email us at vic@driveonportal.com.